Down under the car. That's a little smoke machine. As you see, I disconnect the vent line and unplug it straight inside the charcoal canister, and then pump it with smoke. This cover, it comes sealed all the way around. Under this tank, I found a surprise where my EVAP leak was. You'll see the smoke, and if you can see in the camera, see right there, see that smoke? So this white cap, it's cracked in half right over here. It goes all the way around. I would say all the way from this point to this point. It's completely cracked in half. So, and it's leaking through there. And when I press on my little, you see the smoke. You never know when you have an EVAP leak what's going to be. Either be a tank crack, hose cracked, charcoal canister crack, your purge valve stop working. You literally have to check all those. So on this car end up to be here. If you see, there's this little cover inside the trunk. So I will take this off and show you guys what crack is exactly. There you go. That's where this car EVAP was leaking. You can check purge valve, you can check charcoal canister, you can check all the hoses, connectors, gas cap, all that stuff. But you never know what it's gonna be. You gotta take all this padding carpet out back, and then find this little cover. It's sealed down with a black sealer. That way, if this thing ever leak like this did, it wouldn't smell inside the car, because these gases are not as healthy to breathe. This is what this car had issue with, so I think I'll be so lucky if we can find only these somewhere. All right, thanks for watching.